हाय बच्चों, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। कलर नेम्स: ब्राउन कलर, येलो कलर, ग्रीन कलर, रेड कलर, पर्पल कलर, ब्लू कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, पिंक कलर, ग्रीन कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, ब्लैक कलर, पर्पल कलर, A for apple, A for apple, pink color, B for ball, B for ball, brown color, C for cat, C for cat, yellow color, D for dog, D for dog, black color, E for elephant, E for elephant, green color, F for fish, F for fish, orange color, G for girl, G for girl, blue color, H for horse, H for horse, red color, I for ice cream, I for ice cream, green color, J for joker, J for joker, sky blue color, K for kite, K for kite, purple color, L for lemon, L for lemon, pink color, M for monkey, M for monkey, brown color, N for nose, N for nose, dark green color, O for orange, O for orange, black color, P for parrot, P for parrot, orange color, Q for queen, Q for queen, blue color, R for rose, R for rose, red color, S for sun, S for sun, green color, T for table, T for table, sky blue color, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, purple color, V for fan, V for van, pink color, W for watch, W for watch, brown color, X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree, dark green color, Y for yak, Y for yak, sky blue color, Z for zebra, Z for zebra,